Can white wines really age? Yes, the great ones can. You know where we are when we talk about Lugana. We are at the south end of Lake Garda, the largest lake of Italy, morainic soil, so what used to be a glacier, and Turbiana is the variety. This is a Riserva, so 2 years minimum of aging. Most of the Riservas are actually produced with a little bit of oak, sometimes a malolactic fermentation, which is a transformation of mallow acidity into lactic acidity. So the acidity of green apples towards acidity of dairy products. Creamy. In one word, creaminess. And as a result, as you can see here, the Lugana Riserva is going to become a little bit darker in color because of the oak, because of the years of aging, and the malolactic fermentation would just get, or a little bit of the oak spices together with that citrus balance, always citrus when it comes to Lugana, always gunflint, but in this case you also have some creaminess, some butteriness, some butter on toast. So more complexity, but also more aging potential. So Riserva, it means that the wine can actually be kept for a longer period of time. So whether on average a regular Lugana can age for 2-3 years, easy. Actually, I have home some older Lugana annata, and they age really well. But the Riserva is meant to age for at least a decade or 15 years. There is more mature fruit, there is more good acidity as well, though always the acidity with Lugana. Some more balsamic action, this is like the lemon peel, the tea tree oil, and this marzipan finish. So bigger wine, as a result, bigger dishes, so like maybe not just raw fish, as you can go with a regular or the Superiore Lugana. You can start going with a nice sea bass, maybe some hollandaise sauce, or great chicken, you know, all the seafood, even like lake, fish from the lake will be perfect with this Riserva. Not to forget pasta. Pasta with some heavier sauces, all the poultry. I really like this wine. Above all, when it started to get older, it's going to be developing some tertiary notes like some peat and more of a Riesling character that I really love. Have you watched our next video yet? Well, if you haven't done it, go for it right now. And for more tips, tricks, and of course, love, you gotta follow our channels and subscribe our social media. It's the opposite. Follow our social media and subscribe our channel.